The protractor tool can help us figure out if the angle is really steep enough for 3D printing to come out nice and smooth. So you can see the protractor tool here. I'm going to click right here on that endpoint and just move out. It'll help you find like when you are lined up very horizontally. Click again, and now we can measure it right there. You can see in the lower right hand corner it's 48 degrees, which is fine. Let's just say that 45 and greater gives you the best chance of having a nice clean print. There's another one here. It also moves upwards. Looks like a good angle, but let's go find out. Clicking on that endpoint, setting my flat, and then measuring upwards. Wow, that's only 24 degrees. So there would definitely be a lot of what we call spaghetti, the filament dripping down from the underside. There's even these in here. So if this line hadn't been moved down, then it wouldn't be a good print. But maybe I can get on just the right angle, come out straight, and then measure upwards, and that is 52 degrees. So definitely would have printed very, very smoothly. So if you have any questions about whether or not it's 3D printable, use your protractor just to check it.